Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I make lots of fun stuff like crafts and fun things to do. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some scratch art. The things you'll need are some paint, a colored paint, tape, paintbrush, bow, some colors, and anything in the house that's sharp. And don't forget, scissors. So let's get started. So firstly, we take our colors and then we make any design, but don't forget to fill in the white spots. And when we're done, I'll show you what to do next, okay? So I made my scratch art into a rainbow. Now, we need some tape to tape it up. And next, I'll show you why. So we need to tape it all around this. Like, cover it all up. No spaces must be left. And no bumps, at least. And you keep doing that until you finish the whole space. And if there's excess part, you can just tape it behind. Okay? So I taped it all up. And now we need to paint it. Any color paint. So just misusing the color of paint you're using. So if you're using red, don't use the color red, okay? So let's get painting. Now I'm using blue color to paint it. And if you like, you can make spots like this to make it a bit cool. I'll let it dry for about an hour. And then we can start scratching. See ya! Look good. Let's get scratching. Doesn't it look cool? Whatever design, swirly swirls, zigzags, anything, just use your imaginations. If you like this video, please subscribe, share,